Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to do a subtraction field within a pivot table. So we have our pivot table here, click anywhere in the pivot table, then go up to Analyze, click over on Calculations, Field Items and Sets, and Calculation Field. Then from here we want to take FY19, then subtract FY20, and click the Add, and OK. And there we go. And we can see it populate it nicely in there. And because it's part of the pivot field, if we made any changes, we could see that it will follow suit compared to if we were making the calculation outside the pivot table. So it's a really nice tool to have. And you could do different types of calculations as well. So if you wanted to do addition, you could do that. Multiplication. It allows you to do whatever custom field you would like. Thanks so much, guys, and see you soon.